Everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make minced beef stew, or called sauce. The British call it beef mince. To see how I prepare this delicious minced beef sauce, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to drop your comment and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get started. I have my pan in a medium-high heat. To that, I'm going to add 500 grams of minced beef, and I'm going to be frying the minced beef until brown. With a spatula, I'm matching the minced beef and also mixing it at the same time. You can use a wooden spoon if that's what you have available. To season the minced beef, I'm going to be adding some salt. After that, I'm going to be adding non-cube half. Then mix it together until the seasoning is well mixed with the minced beef. After frying the minced beef for 5 minutes, this is what it looks like, but I'm still going to be frying until brown. 10 minutes of frying the minced beef, this is what it looks like. So you want to fry your minced beef till brown. So next, I'm going to pour into another pot and keep aside. Then with the same pan, I'm going to add light olive oil. Then I'm going to add some onion, and I'm using 2 types of onion, but you can feel free to use 1 onion, but the 2 of them just add this flavor to the sauce. So I'm going to be frying the onion for 2 minutes. I'm going to saute the onion for 2 minutes. After frying the onion for 2 minutes, next I'm going to be adding chopped red bell pepper 1. Then I'm going to be adding 1 tin of chopped tomato. Then I'm going to mix together and fry for 5 minutes. This step is important. You want to fry your tomato and onion together for 5 minutes. After frying the tomato for 5 minutes, the next step is to season. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of minced herb, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of garlic, and half a teaspoon of salt. After adding all this seasoning, by this time your kitchen should be blowing up and your neighbor will want to knock your door. So next I'm going to be mixing until it's well combined. At this point, you can go ahead and add scotch bonnet or hot chili if you want it spicy, but I'm going to be leaving it out. Next, I'm going to bring back the minced beef and I'm going to add into the tomato sauce that is well fried and well seasoned. So I'm going to mix both of them together. This tastes amazing and smell amazing, but please, I want to warn you, if you're cooking this, please double the recipe if you're up to 4 or 5 in your family, because this was not enough for us. It was not enough. So I'm just giving you a warning. So I'm going to really mix until it's well combined. Next, to take this to another level, I'm going to be adding green bell peppers. This is just to add color and also add flavor, because I don't want to overcook it. I still want it crunchy, so that's why I'm adding it almost at the end of the cooking. So I'm going to also mix that together. To loosen up the sauce, I added a little bit of water and also give it a little bit of mix. Then I'm going to cover with the lid and allow to simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, look at that. Yummy. So next, I'm going to be adding basil. This smells so nice and it adds a lot of flavor to the sauce. So if you've not been trying basil, please try it, and it has a lot of health benefit. So this is the final result. With this, you can pair with rice, boiled potato, plantain, sliced bread. This sauce is so versatile. And it tasted so yummy that it wasn't enough for us. Do not forget to check the description box for the list of the ingredients that I use in cooking this delicious. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, the new, the old. Thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed, do not forget to press that button where it says subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to drop your comment and give me a big thumbs up. And do not forget to try this recipe. I keep saying do not forget, yes. And also follow me on Instagram. Love you all, and I will see you another one. Bye bye.